GST input is related to A. Purchase, B. Sales, C. Cash, D. Bank. The right answer is A. Purchase. GST return GSTR1 is for A. Purchase, B. Sales, C. Expenses, D. Cash. The right answer is B. Sales. Which information is mandatory to be provided for GST transactions in Tally? A. PAN of the party, B. GSTIN of the party, C. Email ID of the party, D. Telephone number of the party. The right answer is B. GSTIN of the party. In Tally, payroll is related to A. Employees, B. Stock, C. Banking, D. GST. The right answer is A. Employees. Discount column is available in voucher/vouchers. A. Purchase voucher, B. Sales voucher, C. Accounting voucher, D. Both A and B. The right answer is D. Both A and B. How many predefined ledgers in Tally? A. 5, B. 2, C. 8, D. 1. The right answer is B. 2. Which tax is not merged into GST? A. Income tax, B. Service tax, C. Excise duty, D. VAT. The right answer is A. Income tax. In payment, voucher expenses/drawing always show in which side? A. Debit, B. Credit. The right answer is A. Debit. We record interest received, commission received or rent received entry in which voucher in Tally? A. Payment voucher, B. Purchase voucher, C. Sales voucher, D. Receipt voucher. The right answer is D. Receipt voucher. On the basis of Golden Rule, rent is A. Personal account, B. Real account, C. Cash account, D. Nominal account. The right answer is D. Nominal account. Cost centers are created for A. Departments, B. Stock, C. Employees, D. Banking. The right answer is A. Departments. What does the abbreviation CR stand for in accounting entries in Tally? A. Credit, B. Creditor, C. Current, D. Create. The right answer is A. Credit. Input VAT ledger is created under which group? A. Purchase, B. Duties and taxes, C. Sales, D. None. The right answer is B. Duties and taxes. To print a voucher from Tally, we need to press A. Ctrl plus P, B. Shift plus P, C. Alt plus P, D. Ctrl plus Shift plus P. The right answer is C. Alt plus P. In Tally, GST is activated from A. F11 features greater statutory, B. F12 configuration, C. Gateway of Tally, D. Accounting info. The right answer is A. F11 features greater statutory. What is the GST rate for essential items like food grains? A. 0.05, B. 0.12, C. 0.18, D. 0.28. The right answer is A. 0.05. All types of taxes report form are shown in A. Statutory info, B. Statutory report, C. Tax report, D. Tax info. The right answer is B. Statutory report. Goods are sold but bill not made, it's called A. Delivery note, B. Receipt note, C. Delivery stock, D. Receipt challan. The right answer is A. Delivery note. TDS is calculating all types of purchase and sales product. A. True, B. False. The right answer is B. False. Reversing journal is used for A. Optional entries, B. Payroll, C. Inventory, D. GST. The right answer is A. Optional entries. Outstanding reports are under A. Inventory info, B. Display greater statements of accounts, C. Accounting info, D. Gateway of tally. The right answer is B. Display greater statements of accounts. Inventory is related to A. Stock management, B. Ledger management, C. Payroll, D. Tax filing. The right answer is A. Stock management. Real account is A. Account related to who connect with business, B. Account related to assets of business, C. Account related to expense and income, D. All of these. The right answer is B. Account related to assets of business. How to check available stock in tally? A. Balance sheet, B. Profit and loss, C. Stock summary, D. Ratio analysis. The right answer is C. Stock summary. Full form of TDS. A. Tax at source, B. Tax divide service, C. Tax declare service, D. Tax deducated at source. The right answer is D. Tax deducated at source.